Good afternoon. I'm Geoffrey Dusheiko from King's College Hospital in the United Kingdom, and I'm attending COLDA meeting from the 29th of September to the 1st of October in Cape Town this year. I'm looking forward to the meeting, and I hope I can persuade you to also extend. The African continent, as you know, faces many challenges in the management of viral hepatitis and liver disease in particular, and we intend as a group to address these during the COLDA meeting. Clearly, action is required to reduce the looming morbidity and ongoing mortality associated with liver disease and viral hepatitis in sub-Saharan Africa and the African region in general. COLDA this year is going to provide opportunities for collaboration, for training, for academic research, academic mentorship, and research education to a variety of healthcare specialists in Africa. We plan to set about fostering workable strategies for the management of viral hepatitis and liver disease on the African continent and learning from the past experience of others. So I hope you'll join us, and I look forward to welcoming you to COLDA in September and the 1st of October this year in Cape Town. Thank you.